Happy holidays, guys. This is just a very quick video to let you know that in a couple of days, Blender is turning 30. Now, I haven't been an OG. I haven't been there since day one. The software is older than I am, but over the last several years, it's grown on me and it's become my favorite 3D software for anything animation related. Our entire business also revolves around Blender now, so it has a very special place in my heart. The development we've seen in Blender in the last 4 to 5 years has been nothing short of mind-blowing. And the fact that it's free makes it even more mind-blowing. That being said, software development is very expensive, as we've also learned while working on the 2Animate Picker, and the Blender devs rely on donations. So if you're feeling festive and want to give back to the software that's given us so much and has asked for nothing in return, you can head to fund.blender.org and give Blender a little birthday gift. I'm gonna go ahead and make a donation with you right now and take you through the whole process, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so this is what the page looks like. You can see all these little packages dropping in. These are all individual donations, and you can see who they're from. So I guess this one's anonymous, but you can see the names pop up. You can actually click and drag this and move things around. So if you don't like somebody, just go ahead and take their donation and drop it out of the screen. I'm kidding. But okay, so I'm gonna make this donation on behalf of 2Animate. So let's go ahead and go to monthly. I'm gonna choose Titanium. You also have the option to make one-time payments. So just do something you can afford. They're almost there. They've received 9,282 gifts so far, and their goal is 10,000. So they're very close. Let's go ahead and help them make this goal. I'm gonna, again, go to monthly, choose 100 USD, click donate. I went ahead and filled this up, so now I'm gonna press donate, and that's it. And there we go, we get a little thank you, and we're now a Titanium member. You can go ahead and click Blender ID. We can see that we have the Titanium supporter here, and also Blender's 30th birthday badge. So again, if you can afford to support Blender with all that they've given us, please go ahead and do so. Help them meet their goal of 10,000 gifts. And with that, Happy New Year's, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.